Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning lesson. I am very happy you are here today. Thank you for learning English with me. Today, we are learning adjectives. This lesson is easy and very important. If you are new to this channel, welcome. You can watch previous grammar lessons on this channel. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps this channel grow. Now, let us begin. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. They give more information about people, things, or places. Adjectives can describe size, they can describe color, they can describe feelings, they can describe quality. Here are some adjectives: big, small, fast, slow, happy, sad, new, old. Now, listen to these sentences. The house is big. The room is small. The car is fast. The internet is slow. She is happy. He is sad. This phone is new. That building is old. Now, let us learn how to use adjectives in sentences. Adjectives can come before a noun. A big house, a small room, a fast car, a happy child. Examples: I live in a big house. She has a small room. He drives a fast car. The happy child is smiling. Now, let us talk about feelings. Happy, excited, tired, angry, relaxed. Examples: I am happy today. She is excited about the trip. He is tired after work. They are angry about the delay. We feel relaxed now. Now let us talk about appearance. Tall, short, beautiful, handsome, young, old. Examples: he is tall. She is short. The city is beautiful. He is handsome. She is young. The man is old. Now, remember this important rule. Adjectives do not change. They stay the same for one or many nouns. Example: one big house, two big houses, one small bag, three small bags. Now listen to more real sentences. I have a new job. She wears a red dress. He lives in a quiet place. They bought a comfortable sofa. We had a long day. The lesson is easy. You are doing very well. Practice makes learning easy. If you are new here, watch older lessons on this channel. They will help you learn faster. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Thank you for listening today. Keep practicing English every day. I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.